The feel on this laptop is so amazing. Lenovo designed this laptop purposely for its aesthetic purpose and then the performance. Looking at it, this is the security button for the fingerprint. It has also the hello windows, you can use your facial recognition. The body looks so smooth and it's amazing. The keypad and then the trackpad, the keyboard, they look very soft to touch and then very easy to type with. So with this intro, I want us to look and go deep into this laptop. The hinge on this laptop is so amazing and it is strong, so you cannot easily lift it up with one hand. You will have to use both of your hands to open the laptop to see the screen. And now with this hinge, you can see it's very flexible and very durable. So I tried to just wiggle it a bit to see how it's going to be. And then opening it, you can see amazing screen there, and then you can also see that with the hinges it's very strong. When you close it up, you hear this smooth sound it has, and then it comes out in a perfect condition. You can see how slim it is and then how strong the body build looks like. Again, this has almost all the connectivities that are necessary for productivity and everything. You can see the switch button, the card reader, and then two 3.2 USB ports. And the fan is at the back, the vents at the back, and then you can see down there we have also another form of ventilation. Here we can see inside of the laptop, which the build up and then whatever it contains in it, which I will tell you very soon. And on the right side you can see we have the jack, the power, this is the power port, and then we have an HDMI port, and then a type C port, and then the jack connectivity. It's amazing. It has almost all the connections. It's a strong laptop, which is a convertible one, and then you can rotate it, and then you use your pen also. It also uses the pen that Lenovo provides, and I think if it doesn't come with one, you can buy one. This is a very strong laptop, a 12th generation Intel Core i7 12th gen laptop, and it's very strong, about 3.5 gigahertz, which is tweakable to 4.7 gigahertz, 16 GB RAM soldered on board with DDR4, and it's amazing. The strength, the build quality, the chassis is so strong. Windows 11 it comes with it, and then it's integrated with the Intel Irish Xe graphics, which is very sharp and smooth. You can see with the screen, and then it has a click pad, and then like I said, the Lenovo pen, and it has fingerprint also, and the backlights on the screen is also good. You can see the screen there. That is the screen is OLED screen of 2.8K with an aspect ratio of 16:10 to give you the real feel and make you enjoy the screen. It has a better screen, better contrast, with a 400 nits of brightness, and it's amazing when you are working on the screen. Actually, you will love it. You can spread it in 360 or maybe 180 degrees if you anyhow you want the laptop to light. It has a camera 1080p with a full high definition with a shutter. This Lenovo Flex 5i is versatile, portable, and powerful with intelligent cooling, which keeps the temperatures very low, and the noise, I don't think I hear any noise at all. I like the build up and then the chassis. It's a great laptop, and I will recommend if you're a student or someone who's looking for something to use for productivity, editing, or anything. You can see that the Windows Hello there you can use for the security also. The Thunderbolt is powerful. The pen on the screen is amazing. You will love it when you use it. Video conferencing works well on this laptop because of Dolby audio, and then the sound, and then the smart noise cancellation filters out a lot of the noise, so you hear the sound very well when you play from it. That's the Lenovo software there you can use to check up, to update your drivers and everything. Over here we have the build up. You can see the CPU, the memory, and then the graphics it contains. And many of these laptops that are designed this way can be used for a lot of productivity, your schoolwork and everything you will really love to do. So if you love this video and you really enjoyed it, I want you to give us a thumbs up, and then I want you to also subscribe to this channel, like it, and then share this video to your friends. And I believe that it will help me to be able to bring you more videos like this, and then to do more research for your sake also. and you will. Thank you very much. This is Kintech Hub. I'm grateful. God bless you.